Hello friends, you are now at Medico Sutures, our home of surgical innovations. Inside, every suture, needle, and blade is made to meet the highest standards of safety and performance. Come with me, we are going behind the scenes. Now, I'm standing here at the gate of the workshop. Totally, it spans 6,000 square meters. The first floor is our surgical needle production room, raw material warehouse, and sterilization room. The second floor is a suture and surgical blades manufacturing workshop. Let's show you how we are manufacturing our products. Let's go! This is our raw material testing workshop. Before production begins, our quality controller needs to test the hardness and diameter of the stainless steel wire to ensure absolutely consistency and precision. After we tested the raw material, we need to cut in the stainless steel wire into different needle lengths. You can see this cutting machine here. This is important surgical needle production step, needle tip grinding process. During this stage, we need to repeat several times to ensure the needle tip is precisely shaped and sharpened to achieve optimal performance. We move on to the needle tip grinding process, a critical step to ensure the strength and reliability of the needle suture attachment. If the hole is too shallow, the suture may detach during use. If the hole is too deep, it can hinder the worker's efficiency. Precision is paramount at this stage to achieve the perfect balance of optimal performance. The triangular precision process directly impacts the needle's puncture force, determining whether the needle can smoothly pass through tissues and ensure seamless suturing. This step is also one of the key factors that affect the overall quality of the surgical needles. Our experienced workers manually inspect and select the qualified needle tips, remove any defective ones to ensure the quality of our surgical needles. We use advanced machines for shaking and bending the needle to ensure the needle tip is smooth and making them easy to use with less resistance during stitching. After the surgical needle production finish, we heat them in high-temperature equipment to make them stronger. This ensures the needle tips are durable during suturing and helps to make surgeries safer. The ultrasonic cleaning step is used to remove impurities, such as oil and dust, from the surface of the needles. This ensures the needles are clean and meet the hygiene standards required for medical use. After the needles are ready, we move to the suture production workshop for the needle to suture attachment process. This step is handled by our skilled workers because it's very important to prevent the needle and suture from separating, ensuring the safety and effectiveness of suturing. And then, we wrap the sutures onto paper cut to keep them securely and organized. We place it into a Foley bag and seal it. Next, we place the Foley packaging into a blaster bag. This completes the entire surgical suture manufacturing process. After sealing the paper blister bag, we count the sutures to make sure the quantity is correct. Then, we pack them into boxes and finally into cartons. Finally, we use EO gas to sterilize the packaged sutures, making sure our sutures are safe to use. Interested in these products? Contact us. We are Medico Sutures, your trusted factory. Our professional sales team is here for you, 24 hours, 7 days per week.